Welcome back to our exploration of virtual reality and augmented reality, facts beyond the hype. If you're ready to uncover more about these immersive technologies, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's dive into part 2 as we continue our journey through the fascinating world of VR and AR. Fact 1. VR's applications in training. VR is revolutionizing training across industries. From pilot simulations to medical procedures, immersive VR experiences offer a safe and controlled environment for skill development. Fact 2. AR in industrial maintenance. AR is enhancing industrial maintenance by providing technicians with real-time information and instructions overlaid onto equipment. This boosts efficiency and reduces downtime. Fact 3. VR and emotional experiences. VR has the power to evoke emotions like no other medium. Immersive storytelling, empathy-building experiences, and even therapy sessions are tapping into VR's emotional potential. Fact 4. AR for cultural heritage. AR is preserving and showcasing cultural heritage. By overlaying historical context, artifacts, and stories onto physical locations, AR enriches our understanding of the past. Fact 5. VR for remote collaboration. VR is transforming how teams collaborate across distances. Virtual meetings and workspaces allow colleagues to interact as if they're in the same room, transcending physical boundaries. Fact 6. Mixed reality, where VR and AR meet. Mixed reality, or MR, merges elements of VR and AR. It blends digital and physical environments seamlessly, creating new possibilities for interactive experiences. Fact 7. AR's impact on learning. AR is redefining education by making learning engaging and interactive. Textbooks come to life, historical events are reenacted, and complex concepts are visualized through AR. Fact 8. VR and healing. VR's therapeutic potential extends to physical rehabilitation and pain management. VR experiences distract patients from pain, making it a valuable tool in medical settings. Fact 9. AR in architecture and design. AR is transforming how architects and designers envision spaces. AR overlays digital designs onto physical environments, allowing professionals and clients to visualize concepts more accurately. Fact 10. The future of VR and AR integration. As we wrap up part 2, it's clear that VR and AR are converging in innovative ways. The integration of these technologies opens doors to experiences we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. Thank you for joining us on this journey deeper into the world of virtual reality and augmented reality. If these insights have sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the upcoming part 3. Stay curious, stay informed, and get ready to discover more in our next installment.